Today I will show you how to create this talking character animation in the easiest way. First, we will open Lexico where I can find my avatar. Link in the description. Type anime boy into the search engine and choose the avatar you like the most. You can also download the background in the same way. Type anime gaming room and search. Alternatively, you can create your images with Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or any AI images generator. Go to Remove BG page, and after free registration, you can remove background from your avatar photo for free. Now remove the avatar's mouth to replace it with a movable one. I use Adobe Photoshop for this, but if you don't have access to anything where you would do it, fit the mouth exactly to the one the character already has. The last thing we need is a green screen mouth move. Just download some video from YouTube, the one I use is in the description. Type in Google download video from YouTube and use one of the sites for that. Now we open CapCut and prepare avatar PNG, background, mouth, and audio. First we add the background, then the avatar, and right after it the audio. Adjust the length of the avatar and the background to fit the audio. Now we add the mouth and cut it where the other elements end. Use this button or the W key. Now right-click on the mouth and press Extract Audio. Delete it right away because we won't need it. Left-click on the mouth and go to the Remove BG section. Check Chroma key and click on the color picker, and then left-click on the green color in the video. Set intensity and shadow to max. Fit the mouth to the avatar. If we have a picture as a background, we will make a slow zoom effect to make the video more immersive. Click the beginning of the image and check scale. Go to the end of your image and set the scale to 110, or if you want a little faster zoom, set it to 120. Click Effects and choose any effect you want. It is good to alternate them, so they are not the same for every video. At last, add captions. At the top, click on the text. There, select the Auto Captions option. Click Generate and wait for CapCut to process it. Go to Templates and choose something to make your captions more interesting. Or you can watch my next video about captions for inspiration. Thanks for watching, I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.